Hello learners, I'm your facilitator Auntie Priscilla. I'm going to take you to CTB today, and today our strand is meal service and our sub strand is going to be table setting. I hope we've all taken a meal before and we know what a meal is, but on appropriate, let's define what it is. A meal is a food allocated to time. Thus, meal for morning is breakfast, afternoon is lunch, evening is supper, and night is dinner. So when we talk of a meal, it's allocated to time. We are going to talk about our substrand, which is table setting. Before you take a meal, every meal goes with a table setting. And we have two types of table settings. We have the formal and the informal. But before then, let's look at the meaning of table setting. It's the simple layout of the table for eating in such a manner that all the eating materials are provided in their correct places. Yes. When a table is set, there is a place where we put the plate, where we put our cutleries, where the glass is supposed to be, and the flower vase is also supposed to be. So when you are able to lay the table that way, then you have a table setting. It means that all the things are at their correct places or the appropriate places. We talk about the types of table setting. I said we have the formal table setting. Now, the formal table setting is done during occasions like dinner. You see, when we attend parties or dinner parties, you see how big tables are being laid with plates, servettes, cutleries, everything on it nicely. And when you even see the table, it boosts or it makes you salivate. That is, it boosts your appetite for the food or whatever will be going on there. So we are saying that formal table setting, this is done during occasions like dinner parties and also popularly with standard hotels and restaurants. When you go to restaurants and hotels, you see such table settings. Let's look at the features. It involves the services of the waiter stroke waitress. Yes, you see that at dinner party, you'll be at the table and call somebody will come around to serve you a drink. Your food will be passed on to you, and that's all. And that is the work of the waiter or the waitress. Then individual plates, cutlery, and glasses are provided. On the table, you see your plate. When we talk of cutleries, you know the fork, the knife, the table knife, and your spoon. Those are the cutleries. And the glasses, we have a lot of them. The wine glass, the drinking glass, then the ice cream glass, they are all there in order. And the third one, tables are set before the arrival of the guest. Yes, before you arrive at the place of the party or at the place of enjoyment, you realize that the tables are set. That boosts your appetite. Suitable tools required for various dishes are provided. Yes, if it is rice and stew you are going to take, all the tools for the eating of that dish is provided in their correct places, as we talked about in setting. Then we have informal table setting. When we talk of informal table setting, it is the normal table setting that we see in our various homes. That is where we have a small table with a chair, our bowl of food on it, water by it, and then maybe a spoon by it, without bringing in all the eating tools on the table. And that one is the formal table setting. It is for normal family meals at home and offices, as I said. Features: food could be served on tray. Yes, at times we serve daddy with food on the tray, then you take it to the table and put it on the table. The service of a waiter stroke waitress is not needed You don't need any waiter or waitress to call to bring you water or food. Table may not be set beforehand. Yes, we don't set the table to wait, but when the person arrives, then we set the table. That is informal table. Only very important category is needed. Yes, so on the table you may find at times only spoon or fork, or at times none of them are there. Water and soap will be there for the person to wash his or her hand. Wonderful learners, this is where we will end today's lesson, and we will continue it another time when we meet. Sit back and do your exercises and send it to my WhatsApp. Good day.